All right, I've been anxiously waiting the whole time I've been at work. So. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the wheels for the Mickey Thompson ET Streets R's. I went with the separate wheel because one, it was cheaper, and two, I did not know what wheel setup to decide on what brand. And I already had one in mind. I just had to pull the trigger on it because I wasn't too sure what I wanted at the end, what design and all that. So anyway, I went with a 17-inch rim, 17 by 10. So that I could use the 275s just because it's more closer to stock tire, and since I do have those 315 gears, the car won't, you know, lose anything out of if I ended up going with the 15-inch rim and a way bigger tire. So we went with 17-inch tires. Wheels. I'm sorry. And let's go ahead and unbox them. These rims are from Motegi Racing, and I had already kind of opened it because I couldn't wait to see them. Let's check them out. Drum roll, please. I'm kidding. Okay. Cool. It's a 17 by 10, like I mentioned. There you go. You have this rim is actually pretty close to like a Weld racing wheel in weight, and as you can see, I'm lifting it up. I would hold on. So, you know, that's pretty light. I think they're about 22 pounds or 23 pounds, something like that. And yeah, guys, I decided to go something different because you always see welds, the star pattern for sure. That's a very common racing wheel that you see. And I just wanted to go with something different for now. The car doesn't need an expensive setup. I just wanted a budget setup. I just wanted to do this kind of like for the channel. That way you guys could see that there's other options other than race stars and stuff like that. So I know there's a lot of other racing wheels out there, and you know there is some cheaper alternatives, but we went with this one. Now for the front runners, I'm thinking when I do buy the front runners, I am gonna buy something that's gonna go with my full drag setup. Maybe I'm not sure. We're gonna end up taking these bad boys here to go get mounted, and we're going to a shop to get them mounted. All right guys, so we have the rims loaded up. We're gonna take them to get mounted. All right guys, so we got the tires installed, and that's the Mickey Thompson on the Motegi racing wheels. So it's at stock height, which is what I wanted to do to the gearing 315s. So you know, we're gonna see how it goes. So it looks pretty cool. And I came here at Texas Tires. Come check them out in Harlingen. They're here, and they do all kinds of installs. They do lifts, they have wheels, you can see there. We got the tires installed, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support, and just, you know, checking out the channel, leaving a thumbs up. That'll help the channel out a lot, and sharing it, you know, like just like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and that'll help out a lot. I just want to say now, like, it opens up possibilities to go take it to the track and run it and see what it does. So stay tuned, guys. There's a lot more to come to the channel. I have a lot of things that are coming up for the channel that we're going to be doing with the channel. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to get better. I'm just trying to work on bettering myself, I guess, doing these vlogs, and that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you all for stopping by. Support your local, also people that are locally. I'd really appreciate it if you support it, if you check out my channel. Thank you all, like I said again, for the support. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you all. Hit the notification bell button too. Thank you all. Have a good one.
baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.